What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we got a full tutorial on how I'm about to do this color on this wig, and then I'm gonna install it. This video was filmed like May, June of 2022, so it's a year and some change old, a year and a half old. So not too much, okay, because my techniques have changed since then, but obviously I filmed this video, so I'm gonna drop it. This wig was the bomb. It's from my Vietnamese hair collection. Look at that wave pattern, okay? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I believe it's a 5x5 unit. I think it's like a 16-inch if I'm not mistaken. And as you can see, I'm pulling it straight out the bag, okay? The lace is clean, everything is nice. The curl pattern is on point, and we're about to get to coloring this hair. Excuse my voice, y'all. It's a little scratchy. My mama literally just told me on the phone, oh, your voice is a little scratchy. Okay, girl, thank you for letting me know. So excuse my voice, but I do want to, walk y'all through this right quick. So, pull the wig out of the bag. I showed you all her inspo. She had like this two-tone inspo where she wanted blonde at the back and then a brown on top, so it'll blend a little bit better for her. This is her first time wearing a wig, so we wanted to, give her color. This is her first time with color and a wig. Now that I think about it, this is first time with color and a wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color the back of this unit so we can get the back up blonde, and then we'll go back after so we can tone the back a little bit, and then also lift the front to a brown, because as you can see in the video that I showed you in the beginning, she wants a two-tone look, brown at the top with the blonde underneath. I am starting off with Pravana Pure Light powder. I think it has 9 levels of lift or 8 levels of lift or something like that. This Vietnamese hair lifts very well, so I just decided that that's what I was going to use to get maximum lift on the back, because that blonde is a honey blonde. I'm using 30 developer back here if I'm not mistaken, and as you can see, I'm just going to work that thing in, honey. I'm working it in, I'm working it in, and I'm working it in. I am doing bigger sections, but if you do that at home, just make sure that you are working that product in, because sometimes when you do bigger sections, you can cause splotching in certain places because it's not necessarily even. My suggestion to you is to work that product in, and as you can see, I'm working it in, and as you can see, it's already lifting, okay? I literally just put the bleach on that hair, and it's already lifting up. To get maximum lift, I am using foil on the back only. I'm not foiling the top, I'm only foiling the back because, again, the back is blonde and the top is a brown. So just stay tuned for the remainder of this video. As always, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comment section. If you have any questions in the comment section, let me know. If you have any comments, questions, comments, or concerns, because I do also respond to concerns over here. You might be concerned about something that I'm doing. Let me know in the comment section so I can respond to you and, give you a little bit of clarity behind what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and finish coloring this unit, and then I did do a second process once I, let this part process. I washed this back part out, and then I did the second part separately on the next day. So just stay tuned. So you can see, look how fast it ended the back of that wig. Look, and I'm telling you, it's steaming up in that bag, but we still got curl pattern. We still got a little bit of curl pattern. And as you can see, it was a little bit blotchy in some areas, so I'm just going back to reapply, and then we're gonna let that air process. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, get down in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you're subscribed so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon here on YouTube. I am so happy for our expanding YouTube family. If you just want to tell me, hey girl, tell me hey down in the comment section. I'm gonna come tell you hey, okay? Every Sunday at noon, videos drop on the Pretty Lounge channel. And yeah, whatever y'all want to see, let me know. Again, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And just stay tuned for the remainder of this video. This is a year-old video, a year and a half old video. I filmed this in 2022, summer of 2022. It is now November of 2023. So yeah, this video is a year and a half old, and I just found it in the vaults, and I am like, oh snap, let me edit this and put this on the channel. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. As you can see, the back of this wig did get to a nice, decent level. I went ahead and washed that out, and I just, that's the back so far. So it got to a nice, medium, a nice medium blonde. But we wanted a little bit lighter. So what I did was I went ahead and made a bleach bath. And I'm gonna dip the whole wig in the bleach bath. What's that gonna do is it's gonna lift the top part to the brown, but it's also gonna give it like a little pizzazz in the back, so we can lift that blonde just a little bit more in the back. But just stay tuned. I'm telling y'all everything when you really could just watch and see. Just watch and see. Again, thank you for tuning into my video, and I will see you all again next week. Bye bye.
No. No.
No.